Hi, my name is Mangde. Today I am going to show you how to prepare hand sanitizer dispenser. This dispenser can be very helpful in school, office and other also, even in our home too. To keep our health and to keep ourselves clean, healthy and avoid close contact during this pandemic situation. The tools required for this project are pump, relay, iron sensor, breadboard, jumper wire, power supplier, 5 volt, 1 ampere, pipe, LED and container. Here are the connections. Pipe goes to this the tip of this pump, and this negative wire is connected to positive side of this breadboard, and this wire goes to VCC pin, and the positive wire is connected to the third pin of this relay, and this GND pin is I put into negative side of this breadboard, and this where I put it inside the second pin of this relay, and this input pin I put inside in IR sensor. The connections are this pipe I put inside of this tip of this pump, and the negative wire of this pump I connected with this breadboard positive, and this positive where I put it inside VCC, and the positive of this pump I put inside the first pin, and this GND ground, the middle one I put inside here, the negative side of this breadboard, and I connected to the middle pin of this relay, and this in pin I connected to this IR sensor output pin. This output pin I connected with the LED negative side, and this positive side of this LED I connected to the positive side of this breadboard, and the middle pin of this IR sensor I connected to the negative side of this breadboard, and after that this VCC ground I connected to the positive side of this breadboard. And after all this connection, here the power supplier, where the positive side of this power supplier I connected with this positive side of this breadboard, and the negative side I put inside here into negative side of this breadboard. Now by giving power to this system, we can see the light to both the IR sensor and the relay. Now by placing our hand in front of this sensor, we can see the liquid is pumped out. Now our DIY hand sanitizer dispenser is ready. I do believe that it will be helpful to everyone, and thank you and have a great day.